It's clobbering time! Or rather, drawing time. Hey everyone! Today we're drawing the Thing from the Fantastic Four. He's a witty powerhouse with one-liners, grumpiness, and amazing stone skin. I mean, what's there not to like? Ben Grimm was a star football player and a world-class pilot, a man defined by his grit even before the superpowers. So as I start the basic sketch here, I'm keeping his massive frame. The story of the Thing is one of ultimate loyalty. Ben went to space to help his best friend, Reed Richards. During their flight to space, together with Johnny and Susan Storm, their ship was bombarded by intense cosmic radiation, and that was how they got their powers. Reed Richards, he gained elasticity powers, but besides that, his true superpowers must be his intellect, big brains. Susan becomes the Invisible Woman, able to make herself disappear and create invisible force fields. Quite a strong superhero. Another strong superhero is Johnny Storm, because he becomes the Human Torch, gaining the ability to make himself into pure fire and throwing fireballs and whatnot. He's also got the ability to go supernova, but that is kind of like his last-ditch effort, because it's dangerous to himself and his surroundings. But that doesn't keep him from doing it in every other story with the Fantastic Four. And speaking of, you know what else is super hot? My channel, of course. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss a new video. You can even suggest something that I could draw in the comment section below. Do it, man. So about this drawing. I'm using the sick Manga Fineliner here again. And notice how I'm creating unique shapes for each rock. No two pieces of his skin are really the same. It's a jigsaw puzzle of power. This fineliner is perfect for these sharp edges because it can vary the line with just enough to make the line interesting. And now for the fun part, adding depth. I'm using the sick brush pen to fill the gaps between the rocks. To make the Thing look heavy, you need deep, very deep, bold shadows. Technically, drawing the Thing is all about texture. One trick I've stolen as an artist is that you're supposed to think of the texture you're drawing at any given time. So I focus my mind on the most stony thoughts possible while drawing the texture. Heavy stuff. The brush pen is my go-to for drawing here, because I can control the line width just by how hard I press. If I want a thin crack in his skin, I use the tip. If I want a deep shadow under his brow to make him look tough, I lay the brush flat. This ink is incredibly rich and very black. It gives him that comic book pop that makes the orange stones really stand out once the color goes on. And here he is, Benjamin Grimm, the Thing. He's tough, he's rocky, and he is always ready for some coloring time. Thanks a lot for joining me on this drawing session. If you enjoyed the mix of lore and technique, then please give this video a like. Let me know who you want me to draw for the next video. See you later!